Hi, in this session, we are going to learn about geostationary satellite advantages and disadvantages. As you know that geostationary satellite is orbit around the Earth just above the equator, which is a zero inclination angle, around 35,786 kilometers or 34,000 kilometers approximately above the Earth's surface. Overview what you're going to learn. We're going to understand the uses of the geostationary satellites, and we're going to study the advantages of the geostationary satellites. The advantages of GEO satellites. Most communication satellites in use today for a commercial purpose are placed in geostationary orbit because one satellite can cover almost one of the three Earth surface, offering a reach far more extensive than what any terrestrial network can achieve. The geostationary satellite remains stationary over the same orbital location. User can point their satellite dishes in the right direction without costly tracking activity, making communication reliable and secure. The GEO satellite are proven, reliable and secure with a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. GEO system have significantly greater available bandwidth than the low Earth orbit, that is LEO, and medium Earth orbit, MEO. Means that the GEO is having the greater bandwidth compared to LEO and MEO. Third one, because of their capacity and configuration, GEO are often more cost effective for carrying high volume traffic, especially over long term contract agreements. Means the GEO satellites are more efficient compared to LEO and MEO. The applications of geostationary orbit satellites. It can be used as a global radio, whatever you know as satellite radio, the advanced communication, satellite communication, satellite phones, tracking, navigation, GPS, etc. Television broadcasting, that's called live television. There are plenty of live televisions now. Weather forecasting, and especially these are applied in the specific work in the defense as intelligent applications. The geostationary orbit has some disadvantages such as long path length and hence the losses when compared to the LEO MEO, because it is a more around 36,000 kilometers away from the Earth's surface. There obviously there is the path loss compared to LEO and MEO. Satellites are more costly to install in GEO in view of the greater altitude, because the more effort is required to place that satellite in geostationary orbit. Long path length introduces delay, obviously, because traveling of a wave from one way and one path and another path, that's called two-way path, it takes a delay time. Geostationary satellite orbits can only be above the equator, therefore polar regions cannot be covered. For polar regions, for this only we are having separate orbit for that, polar orbit, and we are having a separate launch vehicles just called GSLV for geostationary satellites and PSLV for polar satellites. Session summary: geostationary satellite advantages we have learned. We have learned the disadvantages and some specific applications of the geostationary satellites. Thank you.